Is this the most beautiful convertible Mercedes has ever made? The 2025 CLE Cabriolet might just be. Today we're getting our first hands-on look at Mercedes' brand new luxury convertible, and there's a lot to unpack here. Mercedes has made a bold move by replacing both the C-Class and E-Class convertibles with this single model. It's a high-stakes gamble that could either brilliantly combine the best of both worlds or fall awkwardly in between. So does it work? Let's find out. First impressions are powerful with the CLE Cabriolet. The clean, elegant lines flow perfectly from front to back, creating a silhouette that looks stunning whether the roof is up or down. Unlike some recent German cars with their controversial styling choices, Mercedes has opted for timeless beauty here, and it absolutely works. Let's talk power. The CLE Cabriolet comes with an impressive range of engines. Entry-level models get the CLE 200 with 204 horsepower, which should be plenty for relaxed cruising. But the star of the show has to be the CLE 450, with its smooth six-cylinder engine producing 381 horsepower. It sounds fantastic with the top down, and still manages reasonable efficiency at around 35 miles per gallon. Step inside, and you're greeted by a thoroughly modern Mercedes interior, dominated by that massive 11.9-inch portrait touchscreen. It's beautifully integrated into the center console and controls virtually everything in the car. The digital gauge cluster is equally impressive, though I'm not a huge fan of those touch-sensitive steering wheel controls that require surprisingly precise inputs. Mercedes has focused heavily on making this a genuine all-season convertible. The clever Airscarf system blows warm air around your neck, while automatic wind deflectors deploy to minimize buffeting at speed. What's really smart is that unlike some competitors, you can use these wind deflectors while still carrying rear passengers. This thoughtful engineering means you can enjoy top-down driving even when temperatures drop. Practicality is often the Achilles heel of convertibles, but Mercedes has done well here. The trunk offers 385 liters of space with the roof up, matching the BMW 4 Series Convertible. The rear seats can accommodate adults for shorter journeys, though you wouldn't want to spend hours back there. One thing immediately apparent from this first look is that Mercedes has prioritized comfort over sportiness. The ride quality feels excellent, and with the roof up, cabin noise is impressively suppressed. If you're after the sharpest handling convertible in the class, the BMW 4 Series might be more your style, but for relaxed grand touring, the CLE Cabriolet feels perfectly suited. What's fascinating about the CLE is how it manages to look both sporty and sophisticated simultaneously. The front end borrows heavily from the C-Class with its sleek headlights, while the rear gets a distinctive full-width light bar that adds visual drama. This is a car that turns heads without shouting for attention. Starting at 53,030 pounds, the CLE Cabriolet is positioning itself as a premium offering, slightly above its BMW rival. That premium feel doesn't quite extend to all areas of the interior though. While the screens and leather feel top-notch, some switches and air vents seem a bit underwhelming for a car at this price point. Overall, this first look at the Mercedes CLE Cabriolet reveals a beautifully executed convertible that effectively bridges the gap between the C and E-Class models it replaces. It's not trying to be the sportiest option in its class, but rather the most refined and comfortable one. For buyers seeking a luxury convertible that works year-round and makes every journey a special occasion, the CLE Cabriolet absolutely delivers. What do you think of Mercedes' new convertible? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more first looks at the latest automotive releases. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.